In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a hood hinge on a Honda CR-V, which is located at the bottom of the windshield. Before installing, you can have this paint matched to your vehicle. Once you remove these bolts, your hood is going to want to slide down towards your windshield and your fender. I like to take some tape and just put it over your fender. That way it doesn't scratch. Also, I like to keep a rag right here just in case the hood decides to slide and hit your windshield. I also put an extra support here along with the hood prop rod. Okay, the bottom of your latch has two 10mm bolts here, and the top has two 10mm bolts here. You want to remove all four of those. Make sure you hold your hood. Now that we've taken out the two bottom, we're going to move to the top. Now you're on your last bolt. Definitely want to hold the hood down near the windshield. Once you take this bolt out, your hood is going to want to move, so be aware of that. And there's your hinge. Here's a tech tip for you. If you take some masking tape, put it on the head of the bolt, stick your bolt into your socket, it'll stay in the socket. Slide your hinge in to position and line it up. Start your bolts. Snug them down. Now remove your rag and your tape. Now remove both supports. Make sure your hood closes properly. Check your lines, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.